In this video, I'm going to show you the steps for sending email from Blackboard, and I'm going to point out some of the convenient features of that as well. But I want to start by saying something about the legal policy. It is meant to be that all university faculty and students use the university email servers to send messages back and forth to one another. These servers are maintained by our staff and are available if you ever need legal reasons to retrieve any transmissions between you and any other member of the university. The reality is that there are some people who do forward things on to email addresses that they often use. It's always a good idea for you to at least know the policy and make decisions on following it based on fact. And it's also a good idea to let your students know this too. That said, I'm going to move forward and show you how you can send email from Blackboard. Right now, I'm at the home page of one of my courses. And you can see that I've got the different modules available and that the control panel is showing on the left side. In my course tools, by selecting the menu Course Tools once, it expands all the tools that I've made available in this course. And down alphabetically, there is a link to Send Email. It's confusing because you would almost expect it to just be email, so put that in your mind that you actually need to go all the way to the S's. When I select this, my screen is going to refresh, and I'm going to see all the different recipients that I can send my email to. Blackboard allows you with the click of one button to send to every single person in your course, and that would mean if you have any students, obviously they would be included, but if you have any observers who are enrolled in your course or any guests or any teaching assistants or co-instructors, this would include every single person who is associated with your course by enrollment. Now you do have some other options for narrowing down, and I'm going to use this one, the single user or select multiple users one at a time, to show you a sample. In my window right now, all the students who are available or all the course members who are available are listed in this pull-down menu. For me to select, I can do one at a time, choose this small button here that moves the students individually over, and every student that now is showing up in this selected window will actually receive the email that I type. You can put a subject in here, and what's really nice about this is that later when you search your email, there will be a copy of this original email, and then if students respond back, you'll be able to collect everything about this email by searching by the CRN number and one or two of the words in the title. It does make it really convenient to organize your email if you use Blackboard to send. You can add your message here, and there is a spell checker. That's what this little symbol is at the bottom. You can make this selection here for the return receipt. I get a message no matter what in my inbox at Laverne, so I've never found this to be very handy. What is handy, however, is that I can attach not just one, but multiple files. So if I needed to get something to all my students, I can attach it to this email right here. So sending email is pretty easy from the Blackboard system. I had also said that I would show you a quick trick for your students, and I'm going to go into a student view right now. I'm logged in here, and this window has a tools area that I have added to my course. Your students, when they select this, have several tools that are enabled, and one of those is an email tool so that the students can send email exactly like you can. When they select this link, they have the same choices that you do. When you put students into groups, this is a very, very convenient way for students to stay in touch with one another without having to copy down different email addresses. So use Blackboard to send your email, and you'll be able to have all the convenient features of it too.